Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got hashtag breast cancer awareness tag for August 2019 for Mrs Cronall. I'm starting this one off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Sinful Shine, and this one is Real Regal. This is probably one of my favoriteest shades of pink polish there is. I love this color. Going in with my first coat, and it's just got an excellent formula. It is so easy to work with. Capping my little free edge there. And hi Woody. He's such a good guy. Alrighty, so there goes that first coat. We're going to go in with our second coat of Real Regal. And I'm telling you, if you look at my polish collection, there are probably so many different variations of this shade in there. It's one of my favorites. Perfect for this manicure. I am going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Beautiful, glossy. Ugh. And here is a quick swatch photo of it all on its own. And we're going to be stamping with Born Pretty today. Can't read the label, but this is that really light pink. I'll be using my Beauty Scraper and the BM 321 plate with the awareness ribbons on it. And I am using that Beauty Big Bang stamper again. It's been sitting out, so I'm using it. There we go. Very, very easy manicure. Not a whole lot going on with this one. I'm going to use this tape to get up the excess from around my fingers. Very easy cleanup. I did remember my Burt's Bees around the edge, so very nice. Beautiful. I'm going to top it with some Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls so that we can finish this manicure off with a beautiful glossy top coat. Very nice. So this has been really fun doing these hashtag breast cancer awareness tags. Hopefully bringing some attention to this and helping make changes. So look at that. Oh, I love it. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.